Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Scuttle's Gardening Tools. The Scuttle's Gardening Tool set comes in a variety of colors, including beige, black, dark green, light green, and gray. With an included tote bag to carry your tools into the garden with you, this gardening tool set makes gardening a breeze. Plus, the bag comes with side pockets for easy access to all your gardening tools at once. There's even a large side pocket for a spray bottle or a water bottle. This gardening tool kit contains all the basic tools you need to grow a thriving garden. There's a trowel, a rake, a weeder, and a transplanter, among other handheld tools. This set also comes with a pair of gloves and a bottle sprayer, making it a complete kit that has everything you need for a day in the yard. If you have a loved one or friend who's a gardener, this gardening tool set also makes a great gift. Scuttle's Garden Tool Set is the perfect gift for a wedding, anniversary, birthdays, or general gifts for parties or holidays. The fact that this is a collapsible design garden tool set will make this stand out and leave a great impression on your friends. It has a nice flavor to it with its brown poo leather handles, which gives it the final touch that is needed for this luxury garden tote gardening tools organizer and set. Number 2 in this best garden tool set list is StoreFront Garden Tool Set. Gardening is a relaxing and satisfying hobby that can yield beautiful results. But in order to garden effectively, you need the right tools. That's where our Carrots 10-piece stainless steel heavy-duty gardening tool set comes in. This complete gardening kit includes everything you need to get started with a trowel, transplanter, hand rake, weeder, 2 pruning shears, folding saw, weeding knife, garden gloves, and storage tote bag. The gardening equipment is made of heavy-duty solid stainless steel and uses fine polishing techniques to ensure that the mirror is smooth and resistant to wear. The ergonomic, comfy, and flexible non-slip rubber handle reduces wrist and hand strain. The matching large capacity gardening bag is made of strong 600D Oxford cloth, durable, tear resistant, and easy to clean. It can hold all the gardening tools, as well as your other gardening tools or other belongings. There is a spring between the handles of the pruning shears, which can reduce hand fatigue when cutting. It also has a safety lock design that can safely close the sharp blade when not in use, thereby preventing accidental injury. Breathable gardening gloves can protect your hands from dirt and scratches. All handle tools have hanging holes for easy hanging and storage. For details, let's watch more. Our third choice is Todosi Garden Tool Set. The Todosi Gardening Tool Set has a large quantity of tools to meet all your gardening needs. This 83-piece set includes a variety of different tools and materials to kickstart your home garden. Including the basics such as a trowel and rake as well as specialized tools and gloves, this kit has it all. One unique accessory that this garden tool set comes with are butterfly stakes. These little stakes add decoration to your garden. This set also includes helpful tools like a cultivator, plant tags, plant rope, and self-watering spikes. All of these specialized tools make this kit the perfect addition to an intermediate to advanced gardener's tool shed. These 6 metal hand tools are made of Japanese carbon steel with ultra-fine polishing technology to keep corrosion resistance and toughness. The handle is made of high-quality TPR rubber, which is comfortable and non-slip. The ergonomic rubber grip with contoured finger grips and palm rest reduces hand and wrist fatigue while weeding, and features a hang hole for convenient storage. Garden gloves with fingertips claw on the right hand. Easy solution for small digging, planting, and raking. And comes with a machine washable and multi-pocketed double-gauge cotton tote bag that makes it easy to carry and store gardening supplies as needed. Fourth pick in this best garden tool set list is Crystal Garden Tool Set. The tools in this set are made of durable, heavy-duty stainless steel and feature non-slip handles. They're sure to last for years to come. Featuring 6 basic tools, this gardening tool set also comes with a tote bag to carry the tools around your garden. Quality matters when it comes to gardening tool sets, and the Crystal Gardening Tool Set is sure to impress even the most dedicated gardener. It's important that your gardening tools are made of high-quality materials, particularly if you use them often. The last thing you want is for a tool to break right when you need it. The tote bag's smaller size, some gardeners might actually prefer carrying around a lighter tote, especially if they have a large garden. While this gardening tool set doesn't contain a huge quantity of tools, the quality of the tools means that these tools will last for a long time. Non-slip handles for comfortable grip. Reduce stress on your wrists and hands. Each tool comes with a handy hanging hole on the handle, makes them easy to be stored. Our fifth and last choice is Tiger Garden Tool Set. The Tiger Gardening Tool Set contains a variety of unique tools and materials that are quite useful in certain situations. For instance, tying wire is often used in DIY projects, but you'll find that it's a great material for when you want to tie plants to a stake. This small, flexible wire is incredibly easy to work with, and it blends right in with the plants thanks to its green color. This gardening tool set also contains your basic gardening tools such as a trowel, a rake, and a pruner. A large kit containing 82 pieces, this gardening tool set is almost everything you could possibly need for starting and maintaining a garden. The tools are made of a strong, rust-proof aluminum alloy, and the handles are designed out of waterproof polyvinyl chloride. As an added bonus, everything in this kit fits nicely inside the provided tote bag that also features pockets. Heavy-duty garden tool kit comes with a machine washable and multi-pocketed double-gauge cotton tote bag that makes it easy to carry or access or store gardening supplies as needed. Excellent storage and organizer.